Hello everyone. Welcome to the another academic year 2021. Well, I'm Sonal Lobo, your course instructor for Direct Access Paper 1. The government makes many plans for development of our country. It requires large amount of funds for implementing these schemes. By charging different types of taxes, funds are generated for implementation of such schemes. Now, let's see the different types of taxes. In India, we have two different types of taxes, namely direct taxes and indirect taxes. Now, direct taxes, which are paid directly by the taxpayers to the government, are called direct taxes. In other words, here the taxes are levied on the income of the person who pays it rather than goods or services. Income tax, the capital gain tax, or the corporate tax are few examples for direct taxes. On the other hand, we have indirect taxes. Now, these taxes, which are not paid directly, or in other words, here the taxes are paid on the goods or services enjoyed by the customers. The goods and services tax, excise duty, customs duty are few examples for indirect taxes. Now, let's see what is the roadmap for this semester. Your direct tax paper 1 consists of 4 modules, 2 credits, and 400 marks. Now, let's see how these modules are designed. In module number 1, Introduction to Tax Rate and Liability, here we study the basic concepts of income tax, agricultural income, residential status, determine the tax liability of individuals, and the incidence of tax. In module number 2, here we learn the various tax-free incomes which comes under section 10, such as gratuity, commutation of pension, leave encashment, retrenchment compensation, house rent allowance, VRS, and leave travel concession. In the next module, that is module number 3 and 4, here we learn how to compute the income from salary. Now, basically, altogether are 5 heads of income, which are income from salary, income from house property, income from business or profession, income from capital gain, and income from other sources. Now, under the current system, we will be learning how to compute the income from salary, and the remaining 4 heads of income will be discussed in the next semester. So, this is the entire curriculum for the direct tax paper 1. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.